A current controversy regarding a statement made by the General Secretary of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh or the RSS. Dattatreya Hosbole mentioned today in a speech that should socialist and secular, the two words that he says were added later into the preamble, should they be dropped? And now it seems that the BJP has endorsed the RSS constitution or the Samvidhan remark. Jitendra Singh has said that every right-thinking person wants the removal of socialist and secular words in the constitution. Remember, Jitendra Singh is a union minister and he has supported what RSS's leader, Dattatreya Hosbole, has said. Now, both these words, socialist and also secular, according to them, were incorporated during emergency, and these words were not part of the Dr. Ambedkar's vision of the constitution. Now, let's listen to what the union minister had to say about this.
दत्तात्रेय जी ने ही ये बात भी रखी है कि जो 42 संशोधन के बाद सेकुलर और सोशल शब्द, क्योंकि ये बाबा अम्बेडकर की देन नहीं है, तो डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर हैज़ प्रोड्यूस वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन द वर्ल्ड। अगर वो उनकी सोच नहीं थी तो भला किस सोच के साथ ये शब्द जोड़े गए।
Now, for more on this, let's cut across to India Today's Sunil Ji Bhatt, who's joining us from Jammu. Sunil Ji Bhatt, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि दत्तात्रेय होसबोले ने जो बोला उसमें उन्होंने कहा सोशलिस्ट और सेक्युलर, ये दो शब्द पहले नहीं थे, संविधान में, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के प्रीएम्बल का हिस्सा नहीं था और इमरजेंसी में इन्हें डाला गया। So we would like to know from you what exactly was his comment, and now it seems that the union minister is also supporting what he endorsed.
Well, Bharatiya Janata Party and RSS is organizing many programs to commemorate 50 years of the emergency that was imposed by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. And today at the press conference that was addressed by Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh in Jammu, I asked a specific question to him that senior RSS leader Dattatreya Hosbole has made this statement that RSS wants removal of these two words, secular and socialist, because as per Dattatreya Hosbole, these words were incorporated in the constitution during the time of emergency, so these words should be removed. I asked a specific question to Dr. Jitendra Singh that does the BJP endorse what RSS has said. He said that every right-thinking person wants the removal of these two words because these two words were not part of Dr. Ambedkar's constitution. So he was endorsing what Dattatreya Hosbole said, and it's quite significant because opposition has been attacking the government and accusing it of, changing the constitution. But the union minister has clearly said that these two words were incorporated in the constitution under Amendment 42 during the time of emergency. So every right-thinking person wants the removal of these two words, socialist and secular. So it's going to create a massive political storm because now the Modi government has also endorsed what the RSS leader has said.
Thank you for all those details. So clearly we heard a union minister and a member of BJP, a leader of BJP, saying that every person of the right mind will support the removal.